Among Uline's wide assortment of storage options is our extensive offering of wide-span storage racks, specifically for storing heavy and bulky items. Our wide-span storage rack 3-shelf starter kits help you organize your space and reduce clutter, keeping items safely off the floor. And without the need for back or side braces, they provide full accessibility to all 4 sides. All units come standard with center shelf supports for greater strength and reinforcement. The wide-span storage shelves have 14-gauge powder-coated steel posts for added strength and durability. With shelf capacities of up to 1,800 pounds, they easily hold heavy and bulky items. The high-load capacity storage is perfect for warehouses, supply rooms, and more. Uline wide-span shelves are easy to assemble. Boltless, snap-in shelf supports are adjustable in 1.5-inch increments and require no additional hardware. For space-efficient storage of smaller items, purchase additional shelves to increase flexibility and storage capacity. With 2 decking options, our wide-span shelves fit any application. The particle board, solid surface shelves have a smooth surface that eliminates small product fall-through, and the mesh wire decking is perfect to help prevent dirt and dust buildup and also maximizes sprinkler efficiency. Our wide-span storage racks come in multiple heights and a variety of sizes, so you can design the exact system to match your available space. Uline wide-span storage racks are in stock and ready for fast delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your storage needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.